Did you know over 45% of engine failures happen because of poor maintenance habits that could have been easily avoided? That's right. Most drivers don't realize how small things like skipping an oil change or ignoring that warning lights slowly destroy their engine from the inside out. A few smart habits can make your engine last twice as long. We are going to uncover 7 secrets that will make your engine last forever. Stick until the end, because I will also share a bonus tip that can save you thousands on repairs. Keep your engine running like new and drive with confidence. Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Change the oil regularly and use the correct type. Engine oil doesn't just lubricate, it also cools, cleans, and protects. Over time, oil breaks down due to heat and contamination from combustion byproducts like carbon and moisture. If left unchanged, it turns into sludge, which can block oil passages and cause severe engine wear. Dirty oil loses its lubricating ability and increases friction between moving parts, accelerating wear and overheating. Always use the oil viscosity recommended by your car manufacturer. Follow the service interval listed in the owner's manual or by the oil life monitor, which is usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for most modern engines. Regular oil changes are the single most effective way to extend engine life. Secret number 2. Maintain the cooling system properly. The engine generates intense heat during operation, and the cooling system keeps it in check. If coolant levels are low or the radiator is clogged, your engine can quickly overheat, leading to warped heads, blown gaskets, or cracked blocks. Over time, coolant breaks down and becomes acidic, which can corrode metal components. That's why it's important to flush and replace the coolant periodically, typically every 2 to 5 years, depending on the vehicle and coolant type. Always use the correct coolant mixture, usually 50-50 with distilled water, and never mix different types unless labeled as compatible. Also, inspect hoses, water pump, and thermostat for leaks or wear, as they're key to regulating temperature. Secret number 3. Replace air filters at proper intervals. Air filters prevent dust, dirt, and debris from entering the engine where they can cause internal damage. When an air filter becomes clogged, airflow to the engine is restricted, affecting the air-fuel ratio and leading to poor performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and carbon deposits. Dirty air filters can even cause the engine to run rich, which washes oil from cylinder walls and causes wear. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the engine air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. But if you drive in dusty areas or off-road, you'll need to do it more frequently. A clean air filter helps your engine breathe better, maintain performance, and reduce stress on components like spark plugs and oxygen sensors. Secret 4. Avoid frequent short trips. Engines are designed to run best at optimal operating temperature. When you take only short trips, especially in cold weather, the engine doesn't heat up enough to evaporate moisture or burn off fuel residues. This causes condensation buildup in the oil and exhaust system, which can lead to rust, sludge formation, and diluted oil. Over time, this constant cold operation reduces oil effectiveness and contributes to internal wear. Try to group errands together to allow the engine enough time to warm up fully at least a few times a week. If you must make short trips regularly, consider changing your oil more frequently and using high-quality synthetic oil that handles cold starts better. Secret number 5. Use high-quality fuel. Fuel isn't just fuel. The difference between cheap gas and top-tier fuel can be the difference between a clean, efficient engine and one clogged with carbon deposits. Top-tier gas brands include powerful detergents that clean injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers as you drive. Cheaper fuels, on the other hand, can leave behind gunk and residue that gradually choke your engine's performance. If your manual recommends premium fuel, don't downgrade. It can cause knocking and long-term damage. You might think you're saving money at the pump, but you're actually setting yourself up for costly repairs down the line. Invest in better fuel today, and your engine will repay you with years of smooth operation. Secret number 6. Pay attention to warning lights immediately. Modern cars have advanced sensors that monitor everything from engine misfires to emissions. When the check engine light turns on, it's a sign that something in the engine or emission system needs attention. Ignoring it can allow minor issues like a faulty oxygen sensor to snowball into serious problems, such as catalytic converter failure. A blinking check engine light means severe misfires that can cause major damage if you keep driving. Invest in a simple OBD2 scanner to check codes at home or visit a trusted mechanic right away. Also pay attention to oil pressure, coolant temperature, and battery warning lights. These often precede catastrophic engine damage. Secret number 7. Change the spark plug on time. Changing your spark plugs on time is crucial for a long-lasting engine. Spark plugs are responsible for igniting the air-fuel mixture in your cylinders. If they're worn out, you get incomplete combustion, engine misfires, rough idling, and reduced power. Over time, this strain causes unburnt fuel to foul your catalytic converter and damage your engine. Most modern spark plugs last anywhere from 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type. So check your owner's manual and don't push your luck. A $30 set of spark plugs can literally save you from thousands in engine repairs. That's all for this video. These 7 tips will make your engine last long and run like new. Remember, your engine is only as strong as the care you give it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more car-saving tips and tricks.